Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Motogp 23 on Android. Open Google Play, search Motogp 23, and install the official app or a compatible APK from a trusted source. Enable storage and controller permissions, then configure graphics and control presets for touch or Bluetooth gamepad. Calibrate steering sensitivity and braking assist, select a career or quick race, practice in time trial, and save your. Let's tune your controls and graphics to get consistent lap times and smoother races. Start by selecting a control scheme that matches your play style, then tweak steering sensitivity and assist levels. Test settings in time trial to see the real effect before entering multiplayer. Lower resolution or disable dynamic reflections if you notice frame drops, and always close background apps to free memory and reduce input lag. Here are practical racing tips you can apply on any track to improve results quickly. Focus on smooth throttle control and progressive braking to keep the bike stable through corners. Use slipstream on straights to gain speed, and practice hitting apexes consistently to carry more momentum out of turns. Customize bike setup for each circuit, and run repeated laps in time trial to build muscle memory and confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.